Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a smooth text animation in After Effects. It's super easy and looks really professional. Let's jump right into it. First, we'll make a new composition. Then with the help of the text tool, you can type your text. Now experiment a bit with the text properties like size, font, spacing, whatever looks good to you. Next, go to the text section and then click animate and select position. Once it's added on the animator, click add, property, then select opacity. Now set position to 11 and opacity to 0. Alright, expand the range selector and create a keyframe on onset at the very beginning of the layer and set the value to -100. Now move ahead to about 1 second and then set the offset value to +100%. Perfect. The base animation is ready, but to make it smoother, let's fine tune it. Click on Advanced. Then change the shape to ramp up. Set ease high to 25 and ease low to 100. Now scroll all the way up and click on motion blur button. If you don't see the motion blur button, just click on the toggle switch button at the bottom. It'll show up. And that's it. Your smooth text animation is ready. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.